In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11 computer. Check your Wi-Fi adapter. Go to search. In search, type View Network Connections. Click on View Network Connections and make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is connected. Right click on the adapter and click on Connect or Disconnect. Turn Wi-Fi on. Close Network Connections wizard. Next step, go to search. In search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type netsh winsock reset. This command will reset the winsock catalog Windows Socket API. It will fix issues caused by corrupted network configurations or malware. Now hit enter. Now type netsh int IP reset. This command will reset the TCP IP stack to default settings, removes custom or broken IP configurations, and rewrites registry keys related to networking. Hit enter. Restart the computer to complete this action. I will restart later. Then type ipconfig/release. This command will releases your current IP addresses from the router and your device will temporarily loses network connectivity. Hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew. This command will request a new IP addresses from the router DHCP server and restores your connection with fresh network settings. Hit enter. IP address is renewed. Now type ipconfig/flushdns. This command will clear the DNS cache stored on your computer and fixes issues with outdated or incorrect website addresses. Now hit enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Close command prompt. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu. Click on power icon and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11 computer is fixed.